Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this trending edit on CapCut PC. So select your video and go to the part where you want it to be the album cover, like here. Select the video and then you are going to press freeze. If I can just find it. The freeze button is here. Okay, so you have to select the clip and I'm just going to delete the rest. Then you're just going to add in the text. Not everything can be an album cover, but I'm just going to leave it. And then you're going to type in the number 5. I'm also going to adjust it so it is bigger. And then you're just going to adjust the style as well. You can choose any font that you want for this. The one that they use is like an italic, so maybe they just used the normal one and I italicized it. Yeah, they did. And then for the animation, I think they used a fade in. I'm not quite sure. Hold on, where is the fade button? I'm trying to find the fade in. Oh, it's right. It was right here. And it's like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're just going to copy it. And then change the text. Oops. So 4, 5, 4, and then 3. 2, 1. And you're just going to do that. And this is the easiest part after this. Hold on. You're just going to select this video and go to animation and then go to in, and you are going to select swing, I think, or was it swing left? You're going to click swing left, and then you're going to add an effect though, so go to effects, video effects, and you're going to select the vlog one, and you're going to select this effect. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!